What if I told you there's a button in your car that could save your life, protect your engine, and almost no one even knows what it does? I'm serious, even experienced drivers ignore it every day. And today you're about to become part of the 1% who actually know. Let's find it. Welcome back to Wheelminds, where we unlock the secrets hidden inside your car. Alright, quick question for you. Have you ever looked at your dashboard and seen a button with a strange icon and just thought, probably not important? Yeah, same. But here's the truth: that random button is actually one of the most underrated features in your car. We're talking about the traction control button. Sounds boring, right? Nope. This thing is quietly saving you from losing control every single day. Wait, before I explain, comment below, did you already know about this button, or is this your first time hearing it? Okay, let's break it down super simple. Traction control, grip control. It makes sure your tires don't spin out when you accelerate too fast, the road is wet, you're driving on sand, mud, or snow. Imagine this: you press the gas hard, your wheels start spinning like crazy. Without traction control, you lose grip, your car slides, you panic. With traction control, the system automatically reduces power, applies braking if needed, keeps your car stable. Basically, it's like an invisible code driver who steps in when you mess up. Let me tell you a quick story. A guy was driving late at night, light rain, empty road. He takes a turn a bit too fast. Suddenly, the car starts slipping. Now, normally, that's the moment where accidents happen. But instead, the car corrected itself. No spinning, no crash, just a slight jerk and full control again. He didn't even realize what saved him. It was traction control. Crazy, right? Now here's something even crazier. What if I told you sometimes you actually need to turn this off? Yeah, don't panic, I'll explain. This is where most people get it wrong. Traction control is amazing, but there are situations where it can actually hold you back. Like when your car is stuck in mud, driving in deep sand, trying to get out of snow. Why? Because sometimes you actually need wheel spin to break free. If traction control is on, it keeps stopping your wheels and you stay stuck. So what do? Turn it off temporarily, get your car moving, turn it back on. Simple. Quick check: have you ever been stuck like that before? Mud, sand, rain. Drop your story in the comments. I read them all. Here's the real reason most drivers don't know this. Nobody teaches it. Driving schools barely mention it. People don't read car manuals, and honestly, most people just press buttons without understanding them. But you're different. You're learning how your car actually works. Here's a bonus most people miss. When traction control activates, you might see a blinking light on your dashboard. That's not a warning. That's your car saying, I got you. So next time you see it, don't panic. That's your car saving you. So remember this, that one small button can be the difference between control and chaos, safety and accident, confidence and panic. And now you're part of the 1% who actually understand it. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe to Wheelminds, because I promise you, your car is hiding way more secrets than you think. And we're uncovering all of them. See you in the next one.